Welcome to the Gurukul Prep Daily Podcast on 10th July. Update 1. Important Day. National Fish Farmers Day, India, 10th July. National Fish Farmers Day is observed on 10th July each year to acknowledge and appreciate the vital contributions of fish farmers, aquaculture industry professionals, and other stakeholders to maintaining a healthy and thriving fisheries sector. The day is observed to honor and commemorate the contribution of Professor Dr. Hiralal Chaudhuri and his colleague Dr. K. H. Alikuni in the Indian fisheries sector. On this day in 1957, they guided the induced breeding and reproduction of Indian major carps using the hypophysation technique, resulting in a revolution in inland aquaculture. Update 2. Important Day. Nikola Tesla Day, 10th July. Nikola Tesla Day is observed annually on 10th July to commemorate the life and accomplishments of Nikola Tesla, a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist primarily recognized for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current (AC) electrical supply system. The first official Nikola Tesla Day was observed in 2006, when the Croatian Parliament designated 10th July, Tesla's birthday, as a national holiday in honor of his achievements. The day is also celebrated in other countries, such as the United States, Canada, and Serbia. Update 3. Awards. Dr. Arpit Chopra receives prestigious Excellence Award for pioneering work in homeopathy. NDTV conducted the MSMES conference in Bhopal, where Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav presented the Excellence Award to famous homeopathic practitioner Dr. Arpit Chopra. Dr. Arpit Chopra, the founder of Arogya Homeopathic, has spent many years working relentlessly in the field of homeopathy to cure individuals with complex disorders. Dr. Mohan Yadav awarded him the Excellence Award, recognizing his contribution to society. Anurag Dwari, head of NDTV channel, was also present at the occasion. Update 4. Awards. HCLTech's Roshni Nadar Malhotra receives France's highest civilian honor. HCLTech chairwoman Roshni Nadar Malhotra has been awarded France's highest civilian accolade, the Chevalier de la Légion d'Honneur, Knight of the Legion of Honor, the firm announced. The award, given by France for distinguished service, recognized Nadar Malhotra's achievements to business and sustainability, as well as her efforts to develop commercial relations between France and India, according to HCLTech. The fourth largest player in India's $250 billion IT export industry, HCLTech services French companies across industries like aerospace, manufacturing, financial services and pharmaceuticals. Update 5. Books. Tamil Nadu CM Stalin releases coffee table books on folk deities, forts of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin unveiled two coffee table books, Folk Deities of Tamil Nadu, Worship, Tradition and Custom, and Forts of Tamil Nadu, a walkthrough, published by the Hindu Group of Publications in association with the Tamil Nadu government's Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments, HR&CE, and Tourism departments. The books were distributed in the Secretariat in Chennai on Tuesday, 9th July 2024. The book on folk deities, curated by B. Kolappan, the Hindu's senior deputy editor, focuses on the innumerable folk deities of Tamil Nadu. Update 6. Defense. India gears up for Malabar showdown with Quad allies amid rising China tensions. India is preparing to conduct the famed Malabar naval drill in the Bay of Bengal this October, alongside the United States, Japan, and Australia. The move comes amid rising regional tensions spurred by China's assertive operations in the South China Sea and its expanding influence across the Indian Ocean region, IOR. The 28th edition of the Malabar exercise, with a major focus on advanced anti-submarine warfare, will be conducted on India's eastern seaboard in October to further enhance military interoperability among the four countries. Update 7. Economy. ICAI and Metwai collaborate on AI audit tool for corporate India. CA Institute President Ranjit Kumar Agrawal announced that talks have begun with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Metwai, to jointly build a AI audit tool to track corporate India's performance and uncover corporate crime. Agrawal stated that the new tool will use artificial intelligence, AI, to coach and help enterprises in remaining going concerns. After assuming charge as ICAI president, Agrawal had announced that CA Institute would during his presidency focus on AI in ICAI. The AI tool will use to track performance of company, fraud reporting or any qualification. Update 8. Obituary. Legendary singer Usha Utthup's husband Jani Chakko Uthup passes away. Jani Chakko Uthup, the husband of Indian music icon Usha Uthup, died in Kolkata on 8 July, according to his family. Jani, 78, complained of discomfort while watching television at their home. He was taken to a local hospital but pronounced dead, according to reports. A major cardiac arrest caused the fatality, they noted. Jani, Usha's second husband, had a background in tea plantations. Earlier this year, Usha Uthup was honored with the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, for her contribution to the music industry field. Update 9. Rank and Report. RBI report, India's employment growth at 6% in FY24 versus 3.2% in FY23. According to a Reserve Bank of India study, India provisionally created 46.7 million jobs in the fiscal year ending March 2024, bringing the overall number of people employed to 643.3 million. According to the RBI's report on assessing industry-level productivity and employment, the country's employment growth rate was 6% in that fiscal year, up from 3.2% the previous year. The release of the data follows a Citibank report, which said that a growth of close to 7% will only create 8 million to 9 million jobs in India, short of the 11 million to 12 million needed. Update 10. Sports. Indian squash players triumph at Asian Squash Doubles Championship 2024. Abhay Singh of India won two championships in the 2024 Asian Squash Doubles Championship, which was held at the Arena Emas in Johor, Malaysia. He won the mixed doubles title together Joshna Chinnappa and the mains doubles title with Velavan Senthilkumar. Abhay Singh, who won gold in the Asian Games last year, joined up with Joshna Chinnappa, a four-time World Doubles Championship medalist. They triumphed over Hong Kong China's Tong Tzz Wing and Ming Hong Tang with a score of 2-1, 11-8, 10-11, 11-5 to claim the mixed doubles title.